Yeah. It's your boy White Folks T out here again. We're in the driveway. We're working on this here 2006 Honda Civic. It's a hybrid, 1.3 liter. It's got the CVT transmission. Real pain in the dick. I hate those transmissions. They're useless, except for a moped maybe. Okay, so if you're changing the fluid and the filter on this thing, here's the original filter, the Honda filter that comes on them. There's no arrow, so you really can't tell which way the flow goes. Not a lot of people made a good video on this. I figured I'd come on out here and do this here. Some people use this particular filter right here. This is something I picked up Advanced Auto Parts. CarQuest has them, and it comes with it's got those two little hoses and clamps here. There's your part number 85964. There's similar kits at other stores, I think, but it doesn't show you which way the flow goes on this thing. So in the position it's in a bracket. Okay, and the bracket holds that lip of this filter so that it only goes one way. But if you're using this one, which other people have recommended and showed you to use it, you can't really tell. It doesn't have the lip on it, and I don't know, even the nipples on the end of that are a little smaller than the factory, so we'll see how it goes, but I figure it'll work. It's pretty damn close. So the way you want to do, put this filter in, is from the driver's side. See this hose right there that's dripping? That comes from the passenger side. That's coming out of the radiator where the external cooler is. The flow comes in from the transmission into the cooler, pumps that hot fluid into the radiator, and then it's going to come out over here on this passenger side. If you really need to prove it to yourself, which I kind of did to myself, I wasn't 100% sure. I wanted to be for sure before I messed this woman's car up. I put the filter, I started the engine and I moved the transmission selector back and forth between reverse, neutral, and drive, and gave it a second to pump a little bit of whatever fluid was in it out. And you could see the fluid was coming out of this one. So it pretty much verified what I assumed, but before I went to put the filter on, I wanted to just be 100% sure I had the flow right with that filter. So hopefully this helps y'all out, man. Good luck out there.